Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Us. I'm Emily.
Hey, Emily, it feels great. Hello, friends. I'm Ethan, and today we've brought some essential English phrases for you.
Ethan, let's not delay and get to the main topic. For beginners, to learn easy English conversation, what is your morning routine like?
I wake up very early. I wake up at about 6 o'clock. The first thing is to turn off the alarm, and then I prepare myself for the day.
6 o'clock? That's very early. Ethan, what do you do right after you get out of bed? I take some time on the bed after waking up.
I get up and first freshen myself up. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I go to the kitchen.
I also go to the kitchen right after brushing my teeth and washing my face. Do you make coffee and have breakfast along with it?
I do both. I make my coffee and have fruit or toast with it. Then I get dressed for the day's work.
After breakfast and preparation, do you immediately leave the house and go to work at the office, Ethan?
Yes, I go to work. My job at the office is to concentrate and sit at my desk to work on my computer.
I do that too. And sometimes I have meetings with colleagues. And of course, I have to answer emails and write reports.
When it's lunchtime, I go for a short walk and have lunch, usually something light. This walk refreshes my mind.
I have lunch too. Then I go back to work. Finishing the day's work and go home is truly a huge relief.
After finishing work and returning home, I relax on the sofa, then cook dinner.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I finish the day by read a book or talk with my family.
Exactly. Then I brush my teeth one more time and go to bed for the night.
So, Ethan, today we learned many useful everyday English verbs that are essential for talking about our daily routine. Practicing these words will make speaking English much easier.
That's absolutely right, Emily. These phrases are wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, put on a coat, leave the house, go to work, sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports, have meetings, prepare lessons, have lunch, go home, relax, watch TV, cook dinner, wash the dishes, read a book, talk to family/friends, go for a walk, listen to music, go to bed.
This is a great English vocabulary list. Friends, these phrases are very easy to use in your daily life, so start practicing now.
Yes, this is the best way to do English practice. You can also write this routine down somewhere.
And don't worry if you don't know all the words yet. Just try your best every day, and you'll see yourself improving quickly.
Exactly. Learning a new language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate even your small progress.
That's great advice, Ethan. I think we've covered a lot about our daily routine today. I hope our listeners found it very helpful.
I hope so too, Emily. It was a pleasure creating this daily conversation.
Yes, Ethan. And to our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today on the English Practice Us channel.
Yes, thank you. And if you found this episode helpful for your English speaking, then don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future lessons.
And please share this episode with all your friends who are doing English learning. It would mean a lot to us.
And you can practice your daily routine by writing it in the comment box or let us know about any other topics.
So, until the next episode, Keep up your English practice and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.